Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. How are we all doing today? So finally we are here. This is a live broadcast, so we are going to spend some time here. But before then, please, once you join, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us where you are watching from by putting your comments. Very, very important. And please, we are not going to waste much time like I normally do, okay? So I can only wait maybe 2 minutes before we start properly. So I expect you to like the video and share it if you can. Share it. So let me just get this done. Just a moment. Okay, so we are good to go. I managed to reset the setting because it was somehow not on public. So now we are officially on air. Welcome back to my channel, and please, once you join, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Today we are going to spend some time together. This is the first broadcast that we are doing today, the first live stream. I was battling with my system, but finally we are here with the help of God. Have done it anyway. Okay. So please like the video and make sure you comment. I want to know how many of us that are here this hour. Share it. As you can see, we started without going, setting it, on public. So we are going to start immediately without waste much of your time. So you can see the title, right? You can see what you have on the title. The title you will have there, or we have here, is exactly what somehow is related to what we're about to talk about, what we're about to discuss. If you know, you know. Okay? If you know, you know. So there are some videos that we want to talk about, but I don't want to start without mentioning why is such in France. Okay, and we're gonna center this conversation there. But before then, just a moment. Okay, just a moment, because I don't want to rush into that without setting everything on. So just keep your comment coming and like the video. Always like the video. Victoria, you are the first to make comments on this live broadcast. You are the first to make comments.
Second. Hakuna kutoka kunono kefera zono kuri yani. Sanye na inakora kunyani foringo sekwara ya. Aga postman uwe better. Geni uwe better. Odugo dozo. Uno mwanyi zinguone kono. Sami ya geni ojerugo do. Yemma kuchikunya kamu manya kaze. Mwanya Afrika kaichi zifunanya. Chukuli sama mkwe kaiwa. Naine kegide kere monde songo. Hama dimi na rofu tabi technology. Pachuchobiani. Aleze enigwe. Hama na aru aleze nke hano. Agwara sanya sanaro na mini yete. Hane na mina sa. Hasi na chukuli ojane ekunsi joji. Yana nigi shoji ekunsi. Onyocha yem brain box mo. Yenum battery yem brain box mo. Yemi yosisa brain box mo. Yem ya yem brain box mo. azụ ụlọ bụrụ ike nke anyị naanị efe na ihe a kpọrọ akụ nye anyị foreign gods ekekwara ya aga m fosman uwe bel gen uwe bel ọta obodo ọzọ ruo ruo nwaanyị zi nwa onye ka ọ nọ saa m ya gen jere obodo onye mma bụ chukwu nya aka amụ m anya ka a zịrị m anya afrịka ka anyị jide ịfụnanya chukwu olise ama nkwe ka anyị waa anyị na-ekpegide ekpere mọnde sọnde ha nwa dị n'ihi na-arụpụta teknọlọji ọchịchị obi anyị alaeze eluigwe ha nwa na-arụ alaeze nke ha nọ ha gwara anyị sa anyị asa na-arụ na mmiri yet ha na-eje na mmiri asa ha si na chukwu dị ọcha na ekwensu dị oji ya na ndị isi ojii bụ ekwensu onye ọcha nye m brim bọks m onye m batịrị nye m brim bọks m nye m ya ọsịsọ brim bọks m onye m ya nye m brim bọks m akwụkwọ edere ede ekulugo batịrị ya na brim bọks m tinyere m iwu na-emebi iwu ọmụ ka afọ dị second ọkwụ na-akwụkwọ okwu akpụ n'ọnụ ga-efere azụ ụlọ bụrụ ike nke anyị naanị efe na ihe a kpọrọ akụ nye anyị foreign gods ekekwara ya aga fosman uwe bel gen uwe bel ọta obodo ọzọ ruo ruo nwaanyị zi nwa onye ka ọ nọ saa m ya gen o jere obodo onye mma bụ chukwu nya aka amụ m anya ka a zịrị m anya afrịka ka anyị jide ịfụnanya chukwu olise ama nkwe ka anyị waa anyị na-ekpegide ekpere mọnde sọnde ha nwa dị n'ihi na-arụpụta.
Okay, welcome back. So we are going to welcome some of you that made comments. I know some people don't like to comment, and please don't forget to like the video, click on like button so that others will know that we are here. You understand? Because we had a lot of challenges on this particular live stream. Since morning I've been battling to stream live, but finally we are here this hour, and all I want from you is to click on like button. Okay, somebody told me yesterday that the reason why people don't like to click on the like button is because I don't bring every information the way raw as it is, you know. But please, I want you to tell them no by doing what you're supposed to do by click on like button, click on it and subscribe to the channel if you're new. So let me start by mentioning the name of those who dropped the comment. Victoria Weke, you are the first person. Evans is here. Chikamado or Low State, one of us. Kennedy Obiola, I see you. Gift to Keke. Edith. Or just invest, I see you. And Christopher is here. Ebonyifai, where have you been? It has been long. Where have you been? It has been very, very long. I see you on my live stream. Ben Iwi is here. Paul Uzoma is a Raymond. Okay, said okay, Raymond Jr. Okay, greetings, brother. I see you. Ben Iwu again, and Kevin. Kevin is here, and who again? All states. Ben Iwu. Okay, so I think I have sent my greetings to all of you. I have recognized you. Thank you all. And I in nature is just dropping his own comments. I in nature, he said, Kai, we love it the way you do it. Everybody must not do saga, bro. Thank you for your understanding. Please, that is why you need to click on like button. And Charles, you are dropping your own Mazakai report. Good evening. Keep it up. Thank you. So many of you have seen the difference between Ray Biafrans and Saga Machine. Why is such in France? If you have not watched the video that I uploaded, earlier today, please go and watch it. Go and watch it. And not now, after the broadcast, after the live stream, try and watch it. So you see how Pastor Rose how she reacted on everything that is going on and all that. Whether I don't care if she's she got it wrong or right. The way she responded to the rumor that she's her fallback and blah blah blah, okay, is what everybody should emulate. But that's not why we're here. So we are going to start, the way we're supposed to start. I have a few things to share with us, and those things is no other than what you're about to hear now. Let's start from this one, okay? Just hear this.
anọdụ ya ọrụ ga-aga kichi mmadụ somehow ịma yes ọrụ ndọrọ nke a anyị dịkwa busy because a na-ebe ọnwa kọmasị na-ekele gị nnọọ na mbọ niile ị na-agba ịghọtala ya.
Okay, but if I hear you, brother.
Voice mana ahụbeghị anyị nọ ya na-ele anya na-ele ka anyị nọ ya nọ na-emekwa ihe anyị na-eme because ihe ahụ ihe gbasara onye ọbụla.
Okay, let me. This is not the one I want. This we may play it on later, but let's start with this one.
This is your question. Don't get you. Success. Propaganda salute. They don't even know what is coming. Have a propaganda. I never recruit. They show you that. They show that they recruit. All just to put fear on the table. So they are the now. Don't worry about that shit. Whatever I just said, they don't even know what is coming. They do not know what is coming. He has a lot of them all propaganda tactics like this. You will move on the car or whatever. How I hear that. Oh, the same thing. I just say that they're going to do. I'm a guy, my cousin. About that nonsense. Oh, yeah, I'm going to turn time off a bago. But suppose one is I wanted a mass in the camp. All these start security network, one day will. But I said, no, for the day, we need a book. Okay, get it. Plan on Nigerian government, my Gaddafi has plan on Okada was. Why can I grab a meeting there every day? I'm going to meeting with all my agents on ground 20, 30, 40 at the same time. And I hear their report. Their happiness with that nothing. You can ask mommy, thank you for saving our life. Now, right now, they can during this year, we have transition phase. Now, right now, you can have the kind of innocent people who work as innocent just because they're talking about the when I get evidence, the majority of them will say, what they think that now, even the didn't have the kind of them, I know because of what I did. Proactively, I want to come to home Biafra from day one. No, no on ground. Maybe my producer, my judge, my leader, social way unleash on innocent worker. That is the happiness today, and I'm very, very happy. We succeeded in breaking and drawing that line between Ndi Ochua and Omwaka that are happily coming out to work for United States of Biafra.
Now, this conversation go on and on and on and on, right? The issue, what I want to learn from this is not about what I'm saying, what CS said and all that, but for you to know the kind of person she spent her time knowing fully well what she's going to do in the future. She begin to prepare, recording video that she's gonna play when the time comes. If she have genuine, if she actually want to achieve something meaningful, if she mean good like she claimed that she do, she won't have time to record something like this and keep. It's not as if what she said here is a taboo, but it is not good to bring something that somebody said to you in confidence. You record that without even her consent. You record that and keep, waiting for a time, because when many of you, I don't know about you, but she bragged about it. Even she told me that she have a very, that if she bring what she have, that internet will break into two. She told me that people think that she don't have anything, but she really have something. I don't know if this is what she have or she was gonna bring more. Because you cannot expect somebody like that, you cannot predict what she can do. But the truth is that no matter what she want to do, people have made up their mind to say that. People have made up their mind to say that. And for you to know that since day one, she already know what she wanted. Remember, she was not suspended when she was recording this voice conversation. There was no issue between her with anybody in cabinet. But because she already know what the future hold, she was working on what to present to do whatever she want to do when the time comes. Do you get the point? So, like I said, I'm not gonna waste time on all that, but we have to touch it little by little. Sundance King, he said, are you Akosh Asirika why? I know in Akwas. What has this gossip keep playing done? What language is that? What has this gossip you keep playing done to help Alibo, except supporting people that buying our brothers Kai TV? Sundance King. So I don't know if I challenge you now, it will be as if it is too early to do that. But promise me that if I give you number to call and say what you just said now with your voice, I'm not saying with your picture, just voice. You can't. Yet you want to know what people is doing to do that. People like you will come out and say, what since Biafran has been declared, what has your madam do? Mention one thing your madam. People like you say that kind of thing. But you refuse to tell us what your organ have done. Say, leave the people, brother, stand on the truth. I dare with you, brother. Oluste said, Sundance King, you are Oluku. Oluku Nkiabu original, my dear. Some of these people don't understand what I'm saying. I wanted to stop, but because of your comment, I'm gonna play further. So ona stand we gonna be. Okay.
So that did not happen. And for that not to happen, we did excellently well. There is something that
Armstrong, I see you, my brother.
That did not happen during Nnamdi Kanu's time. That was why during Nnamdi Kanu's time, many innocent lives were lost by the nuclear before. But in this time, they always tell me it did not happen like in Nnamdi Kanu. Because some of them were there during Nnamdi Kanu. So they know what happened that time and they know what is happening now. So now I think we did great. We stabilized Biafra land. It will only get better. But that killing now can get a plan. We didn't do it here. We started at Paraman. They plan evil. They could not do it in one land because the loyal to Godobu refused to follow direction of Putuso. They refused to follow anything because we decentralized the military. This decentralization, and we keep announcing it. Oh yeah, when I have a commander in one state, when he want power with the other commander.
Now, pay more attention on her word, like the voice of why is also in France. She was like, she was choosing what she was saying. You understand? She was very, very selective because she know that she have already pressed recording voice to record everything. Then when you hear her, I have a bomb that if I throw it on social media now, everywhere we look at. So this is one of the bombs, isn't it? Everything CS is saying here is true. So far, that's not the fact. Even though it's not supposed to come on social media now, because of the condition, because of the way things are going on, I understand that. But since why is Sasha, who drive joy in setting more houses ablaze, in this life, you have people that set house ablaze, some are to quench the fire. She belongs to people that are setting houses ablaze. Why? Because that's who she is. Problem is to get us. People like this Sundance one man. You gather yourself together to commit nuisance. Expect people to keep quiet. Why? Because you think people, you want people to be shivering, panicking because of you, you. Why? Why must it be like that? You told us that you are in charge. That APM is in charge of men on ground, isn't it? Then the same you will come out and say, tell your madam to tell us what she's doing. So if you claim that you are in charge, why don't you tell us what you are doing with the men on ground then? I'm just saying because that era has come and gone. Nobody is talking about it now anymore. It is not clear. People are now connecting the dots to know where they stand, to know the real thing going on. We all know what happened during the time of Master Makano. A lot happened, but it's not fault of Master Makano either. I don't blame him for that. But our people, we need to understand one thing. Like I told you, I told us many times here that don't see me as a freedom fighter. Don't count me because I am not. Don't count me as one agitator or leaders of Biafra movement. No, I'm not. What I'm doing here is this thing that you are hearing now. Nothing more. I don't belong to any party telling you what's going to happen tomorrow, declaring, dishing out all that and all that. I'm not there. But some of us that are paying attention to what is going on, we know who is getting it right and who is not getting it right. And that's why you need to pay attention so that you're not going to fall in that trap. You may say that, okay, Grand Camp, they believe that is the way to let's go to and all that. To me, I believe that we need to liberate ourselves from our people. What do I mean by that? The so-called Igbo Biafra or Biafrans, whether Biafran, but I'm talking about Biafra by bed, not those that are jumping up and down and carrying flag. I'm talking about everybody, whether you carry flag or not, as long as you are from that part, from that region, from Biafra land, whether you are serving acting politician in Nigeria or not, everybody need to identify who actually wants Biafra and who is not. Because I find out that the main problem is our people. We are our own problem, not even Nigerian state. Nigerian state seems to be secondary part of it. But the number one primary problem is our own people. Go and check from the time of Raf Wazurike until now. Everybody have been that maybe you hear that DSS are arrest this person and detain this person and all that. Our people always have first hand, like they are the one that make that push first before that person, before the arrest of anybody. Wazirike was captured, and who destroyed him finally? An Igbo man called what is the name of this Anambra guy? Andoba, not Ifayoba, Andoba. He played his own role. Master Magano traveled to Kenya, who leaked the information and everything. An Igbo man. Whether you like it or not, an Igbo man. The reason why they covered his face the first day they brought him in the court to the public, to the public, remember they covered Magano's face. Why? Because people who leaked that was there. That's just the fact. It's a common sense. Now, PM. Are you getting it now? The people that sign petition and keep on tagging Finland publicly. This one happened. They say so. Are who? Igbos. Few days ago, I watched a video of Maya, that lady that's from Abia State. Many of you know her. You know her prophecy about what is about to come. In fact, even somebody actually reached out to me. I don't know his level of spirituality. I don't know if he's a pastor or a native doctor or anything like that. But he told me that according to him, that I should try my best to pass this message that DPM will face a lot of attack. When you hear attack, not anything, but this kind of detaining, arrest, that kind of thing. Put in prison, jail him, jail her, do that. Because I first listened to the professor of Maya saying the same thing. Then I listened to one audio saying the same thing, but I don't think that audio is serious because it could be, or the person may be trying to pass information that he got from Maya. Now, another person contacted me direct, telling me the same thing, that COS should be careful and all that. You know that there's a plan going on to take her in. When you hear that, it's not Nigerian federal government or anything, no. Our own people. Our own people. There's a post going on, trending somehow, not all that, not trending as internet about Biafra, no, but at least people, maybe some of you have seen that on X. Somebody, I will flip the camera to show you the person. Okay, how will I share this so that you're not gonna? Okay, let me do it this way. I think it's better now. Let me do it this way. Let me start from here. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Okay, this is in the bridge. When you hear Ogenkere group and Sonak Brawa yapping, it did not end there. The number one thing in their mind now is how to arrest and how to detain COS. That is the number one assignment now as we speak. What they are looking for, what they are hoping for is on how to arrest COS and detain her by fire, by force. Now, this is one of them. Read this chart. I don't know if it's clear on your end. I don't know if this is clear. Is it readable for you? Is it readable? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Okay, you know what? I will just flash it this way. Then I will try my best to read it out for you to hear. Now, this is chart. This is just screenshot. Are you seeing that? They are all screenshots. Okay. This is in the fallback. This chart, this communication you are seeing here is them where they are discussing on how to arrest COS. Okay, using FBI. They have started dishing out letters. Okay, group. This is their communication, secret communication they're having on how to take her in. Meaning that prophecy of Maya and people reaching out to everybody is truth. Don't worry, Raymond Kai is on course. I don't know what is going on, my brother Armstrong. What is going on? I can see your message, and he said, "Don't worry, Raymond. Kai is on course." I don't understand this one though. Okay, so the person behind this plan is this guy. They said he's the one. Okay, they said he's one, and nobody have seen his picture in the past. But he's very, very active on X, dishing out lies and falsehood. This is his X. Okay, okay, my brother, I understand. So this is his ex. You can see that, right? Look at the chat continued. Look at it. Now, this guy is not a governor. He is not a senator. He is not deputy governor, not even a National Assembly or a minister. He's an Igbo man living somewhere, hopefully in US. But his job is how to target and put CS in prison. Are you getting my point now? Tomorrow they will tell you, oh, you know, this Biafra 15, you know, if you do now, Biafra, Nigerian government will come after you, call for your head. No. People calling for your head is your brothers. You understand? That's why I said we need to be careful with them. Because anything is possible. Anything is possible. Now, let me try my best to see if I can read it out. Okay, let me read that from here. Just a moment. Let me read that from phone. Let me use phone and read it out. Because it will make more sense. So just let me read it out from here. Wait a minute. Just a moment. Let me. Okay. You can go to COS handle to read it raw after the program. She posted it there. Guys, I need your help. Send in videos and other clips of Ngozi's crimes. Send clips and other videos of Ngozi's crimes. When you hear there's a file submitted in Finland against PM, there's somebody submitted file against him. You know, nobody know what is going on. No, PM is going through a lot. So we don't know what is going on. No, somebody submitted. Nigerian government. She said they have a case against him. Upon Nigerian government, these are Igbos. This one has this. See, I don't know how to put this so you understand what I'm saying. This is not people that Nigerian government hired. They are doing it on their own without even being appointed. Or even if the Nigerian give you such job, will you accept? Let me continue. Remember, many we have seen people saying PM, somebody compiled document and videos against PM. That's what they're doing now against US as we speak. Okay, so now one group. That's what they're doing now. Now, let's continue. He said, as soon as possible, refrain from threatening her directly, as it would affect our case. You're getting it? So before now, they used to say, Ngozi is banned from entering Biafra. They're going to do that. This guy is telling them, don't threaten her anymore publicly, directly, because it is going to affect the agenda, what they're about to do. Remember, he said, compile the videos. Let me take it again. Send videos and other clips of Ngozi's crime. They want to hand it over maybe to FBI. These are people pretending that they're waiting for PM to come out. Now they're working to send another person. They're Igbos. That's why if falling back is just like you joining the secret court. Refrain from threatening her directly, as it would affect our case. You can expose, you can expose, but don't threaten. But don't threat. They have been watching. They have been watching. Meaning people that they have already submitted it, and where they make their case are not paying attention to what they submitted to them, waiting to see those crimes and to have some evidence before they strike. You don't know when they started. You don't know when, how long. Now, how can you now tell me that these people are different? They are different people from people who submitted evidence or case against PM. How can you not tell me? Now, this is direct message. Now, they have been watching. I had a long 15 minutes conversation now. With the conversation. Cut off all direct communication with her. Cut off all direct communication with her. Even on her post. If you, like some of them are posting anything against her or comment anything, delete it, gotta remove it, because they are building their own case against her. Why are you telling me that, oh, this is how they're gonna get to Biafra? Watch that. Send in clips as it is needed, even where someone called into Adadarama's live broadcast about his 3 friends who went to her recruitment exercise and never came back. Now, I never come back. This, excuse me. This is them sourcing for their so-called evidence. Please, guys, I told us to like this video, and I may not be repeating it over and over again. I request you guys at this level of begging of like the video. What we are, one of the reasons I asked you to like it, for people who did not get notification to receive notification, they will receive notification and watch this program, because many people are confused. Some are actually on defense that okay, Grace could be right, or they are getting it right, or that this the program like this will help you to make a stand. And some of you donating money to anybody now, you know, so that when you're donating money, you know where your money, where they're using your money to invest that your money. Listen. Send a clip as it is needed, even where someone called into another Rama. This is kind of thing that is offering Biafra. This is the kind of what her platform is getting, where somebody called on her program and said that her 3 friends, his 3 friends went there and never come back. Anybody can call and claim something. If your friends went for your recruitment and never come back, or whatever you claim, then ask them, is Adadama platform the right place to lay complaint? I'm just asking. One of them that said that he fall back now, he's now with them and all that, claimed that everybody that went for that recruitment did not come, that they buy everybody. Now, with their own comment, now they're saying that 3 people. I'm not the one, they're the one bringing it out. If you have posted threats, please delete. If you have posted threats, please delete. These people that, see how truthful and honest they are? If we want to send her to prison for life, or thereby, we want to send her to prison for life. Make our case no case, because this one is not complete. Let me look for another one. Just a moment, please. Just bear with me. I'm having. Let me take some water. Just a moment. And,
make your computer type without the keyboard. Apply.
Okay.
Cancel.
Just a moment.
alaeze nke ha ha gwara anyị sị anyị asa na-arụ na mmiri yet ha na-eje na mmiri na-asa ha sị na chukwu dị ọcha na ekwensu dị oji ya na ndị isi ojii bụ ekwensu onye ọcha nye m brain box m onye nụ m batrị nye m brain box m brain box m onye m ya nye m brain box akwụkwọ edere ede eburugo batrị ya na brain box enyere m iwu na-emebi iwu ọgụ ka afọ debe sege ọkwụ na-afụgo oke akpụ n'ọnụ gị efere azụ ụlọ bụrụ ike nke anyị sa anyị efe na ihe a kpọrọ asị nye anyị fọrin gọs ekekwara ya asị aga fọsman uwe bel gen uwe bel ọdụ obodo ọzọ ruo n'ọnwa anyị zi nwa onye ka ọ nọ saa m ya gen o jere obodo onye mma bụ chukwu nya aka amụma anya ka azụrụ m anya afrịka ka anyị jide ịfụnanya chukwu olise ama mkpe ka anyị wara aka anyị na-ekpegide ekpere mọnde sọnde ha nwa dị n'ihi na-arụpụtanụ teknọlọji ọchịchị obi anyị alaeze eluigwe ha nwa na-arụ alaeze nke ha nọ ha gwara anyị sị anyị asa na-arụ na mmiri yet ha na-eje na mmiri na-asa ha sị na chukwu dị ọcha na ekwensu dị oji ya na ndị isi ojii bụ ekwensu onye ọcha nye m brain box m onye nụ m batrị nye m brain box m brain box m onye m ya nye m brain box m akwụkwọ edere ede eburugo batrị ya na brain box enyere m iwu na-emebi iwu ọgụ ka afọ debe sege ọkwụ na-afụgo oke akpụ n'ọnụ gị efere azụ ụlọ bụrụ ike nke anyị sa anyị efe na ihe a kpọrọ asị nye anyị fọrin gọs ekekwara ya asị aga fọsman uwe bel gen uwe bel ọdụ obodo ọzọ ruo n'ọnwa anyị zi nwa onye ka ọ nọ saa m ya gen o jere obodo.
Okay, sorry about that. I have to take some water because I'm having some issue. Okay, let's continue. This is unacceptable. Just got off the phone with the Atlanta FBI. Are you getting it now? This is just got off the phone with the Atlanta FBI. Guys, I need your help. Send in videos and other clips of Ngosi's crimes as soon as possible. Okay? Cut off direct communication with her, even on her post. Send in clip as it is needed, even where, so okay, this one I have gone through this one. Don't give, okay, someone said, if you have posted threats, please delete. We want to send her to prison for life. Make our case no cast because she would have something against us. Make our case no cast because she would have something against us. Don't give the devil room. Spread the word. If it has all you, I don't know what you mean. If it has all you may need, Georgia, well done. If hope you are here, and our information minister has handful as well. So not Barawa. Are you getting it? These people are demons, honestly. Wait. If you don't like your COS, maybe you have issue with her, and you don't like disagree with her own way. She disagree with you. Why are you not going as far as doing this kind of thing? Meaning that you don't have any issue with where PM is and where mastermind is. You see it now. But they are busy telling you, I thought Rama said the other one. What Ada is doing now is because they must be in one group, planning and plotting on how to dig out information and all that. Telling some people, if I come live, just come and testify, so that we will record it and send it to them. That is it. So we record it and send it to them. They will tell you Biafra. Now, if they can have this kind of mindset in getting you Biafra, anytime you did not, maybe let us know if they succeed, God forbid, and they will emerge as people now the natural Biafra. Anytime you question them, they will gang up like this and send you also. That's just a fact. And imagine somebody that nobody know him, nobody have seen his face, but he's the one planning and plotting everything. I'm gonna flip the camera again so that you will see his face, because as he is trending somehow, let us watch it again. Okay, this is, like I told you, this is the chart. This is the chart. Let me go back a bit. Just a moment. Let me return back. As I said, they must work in vain. Amen. Breaking in the new release of Ngozi telephone conversation with Adada Ngozi is threatening Igwe Botozo. Chuka Oma, you guys are very, very funny. She threatened Botozo on terms of what? Where? How? I think Armstrong is not here. Because if Armstrong sees this your comments, he will send it to where you belong. Agent of darkness. You guys are very, very wicked. If you have conscience, one of the least thing to cross your mind is to send another Biafran into chain. That is to tell you that sit at home, Master court case, what Master is going through, to them is business. To them, PM is where he is today because of Biafra, right? To you, it's business. You don't even bother you don't even ask yourself, how will he feel? What will be in his mind? For no just of nothing. Simply because you are caring for people who don't even appreciate anybody caring for them. And for that, you will be sent to jail. Not because the government have done anything, no. Not because Nigerian government worked hard to do that, no. Your own people that are actually benefiting from what you are doing. So when you hear, I don't know who, all this Madam Ashok and the rest of them, this is their gang up, right? Ndị Igbo. Ikegokwa, honestly. Izigbo Ikego, unbelievable. Like I said, this is the guy that is championing it. Look at, okay. You see his profile on X. This profile on S. Then when you go to this profile, you will not see his real picture. This is how they will put something that you cannot even, maybe the name is maybe could be fake, but guess who is the real person there? Cursing and posting. I have not visited this platform, but someone told me that if you go there, you see a lot of nonsense that he has posted against USB. But him and these people, they don't know that. And how they will come out and tell you if maybe more. Look at the guy here. He is the person that is putting call to FBI and everything. According to them, you can see that, right? Now, the question is, many of you commenting from homeland, or you are commenting from maybe in your own location. You are not a cabinet member, you gain nothing from the struggle. When they donate money, you don't even know how much, you don't know how the money is being spent. You don't know anything. You're only to come on people's platform and insult. No reason, just because your guy say guy insult. But your guy intention is not meant known to you. It's not meant known to you. You don't even know what they want. You are not even, in fact, they don't even care, they don't even know that you exist. But you are commenting nonsense for them. You are the one commenting nonsense, calling people names. Tell me why, if I reverse what you said on my platform, but tell me why it will not happen to you. Because you don't have, your hands are not clean. Starting from the person who you are defending to people that carrying that thing they're doing out, and even you that is commenting and claiming that you're a media warrior for them and all that without having any proof or evidence to do what you're doing. But just go there and defend the brick, you go and defend the brick. Go there and they tell them that falling back is the best way to go, you go. Once you take Fulani away now, everything will scatter. The same thing they did to take PM away for them to come up. Like I said, after seeing all those things, what makes you think that they are not the one that is behind what happened to PM? Then they will be the first to accuse other people. Typical criminal, life of a criminal. They always they always be the first to accuse others of the crime they themselves are committing, which is very, very, very bad. Very, very bad. Now, some of our people are not, daft. There's a audio sent to me by one of us. I'm looking for that audio. Don't mind the picture, okay? I just have to put any picture now. Now, listen to this audio. I'm gonna play it for you to hear. Listen to this audio. This is how manipulative those people that are doing what they're doing now, especially why he's such and France. Very, very manipulative human being. That's why when you check the title of the video, that there's no better way to better word for her or people like her. Listen. Start from the beginning.
Because if the last time whether when our to be zero and don't zero or I am positioning a social media. And since then the program in the students I want to Romeo. So she can have on social media. Or by the same mistake. Kabro can be on social media. It's not but obvious is a person and the more cannot be and I want in for no so see causes sabona. Because see me when he many also fall back to break if I go back to break. I don't fall. I fall back. Okay, each one can respect it boy. When I go once follow to not when I match Baba monkey, and I can be pocket the year was a young walk. Tell them one put which I say, I want to come with too much time. Our third is a follow back. Go on wiki. Maybe girls or what I can key me. If you see maximum respect, amazing. So you are when I have a Canada in Ada, they follow back. One woman follow on a back. At least they made them move. But I don't want to move them when Kime. So, I no see what because he can only follow up to me. Yeah, I won't need a follow go back. It's no man and chaos to me. But I cannot put up a sea. Why, mother, to eat the number to them off. And I get that one Kime. He doesn't blame woman. He blame good over now by.
Now, when I said that she's very manipulative, this is one of the reasons. And please, some of you that I want to challenge her on her platform, always bring your brain. And I don't mean to insult you, but ask critical questions. What she said here, that the person that called her did not represent well. When she said, he told you, Obatobe said you should fall back, have you fall back? The question should be, who did Obatobe send the message to? Are you not the one that received it? You should be the first to carry it out before waiting for another person. You should lead by example. Obatobe, they said that, oh, like egg breaker was bragging. Obatobe did not send any message to CS. After telling us before the so-called message came in, that Obatobe had been sending message to CS. The message, according to them, that PM before they started working with this very criminal-minded human being. This woman is, when now I know, when PM said that she is a saboteur, just imagine it. There's nobody that will have worked with the PM, that PM opened his mouth and called saboteur to the hearing of other people. I don't know, but if maybe some of you that I work with him may know. But this woman is the first person that her own is on social media in the public that PM have called her a sabo. She started crying. That is what bad, hardened criminals do. They can act as if they're so remorseful, that they're so, they will pretend with a meek heart, to show you that they are very nice and humble and loyal to you. They will be waiting on the day to strike you bad. This woman understands everything that she's doing. And I'm going to tell you this. What she said here has proven to everybody that PM did not send any message to her. I mean, she proved that from this short clip that I just played now. How? If PM truly send a message to this woman, truly send a message to her, she will not just downplay it the way she's downplaying it now. She's downplaying it. When she said that PM sent a message to her, she pretend that everything is real, that this is just like a bombshell, that the real message have come. This is the way it is. Everything from PM is the way it's God sent, and everything. That's the original. That's the raw. But now, because that message is fake, she cannot keep on that momentum, like that energy, because it is fake. If you lie, it doesn't last. If you tell lie, it will just appear to be like real, that initial stage. But wait, watch that person. As time goes on, you will see the person losing that energy, losing that, determination. When she was trying to convince you, she frowned her face. She was very bold enough to tell you this is how it is. This is what PM said. She was saying that as day goes by, she'll be coming down a little bit. That is to tell you that message is not from PM. If the message from PM, it will not take her. She will not start, disobeying that message. Give you that. Even I think it's up to 12 hours. They told her this message, and she's trying to explain the message to Biafrans. She started insulting people, and even the one that is backing her up this year was also told us, now message from above have come, but I will have to control myself. No more insult. Then people said that message is not from PM, or it's just that. Immediately people said that message could be an AI. Insult started immediately. Did it take them days? The answer is no. They started immediately. They started immediately without hesitating. SNYEFI, thank you so much for your super chat. God bless you, and I appreciate that so much. Thank you. So you see, they know what they want. They know what they're doing. But the problem is that the way they're having problem is that people are able to dictate it, whatever you're doing. And they have seen that now this ego boss go and they are now moving to FBI that they're going to do the finishing for them because they are not, their target now is what they normally do, go for the leader. Once we pick her up, the rest will be history. The question is, how can you, a grown-up man and woman, you pretend that you are for Biafra, you love freedom and all that, it must be your man to lead. My question to you is that, why I'm talking about this, or even analyzing what is going on at all, because my father's land is in the map. Are you getting my point? If you want this, because some of them have said, hey, you are not for Biafra, why don't you just get out and shut up? Shut up, and you are planning on how to include my father's house, my father's land, my community in that, and I should not talk. If you say I'm not involved, then don't add me into that. You immediately you drag my community into that. Of course, my voice should be added immediately. I'm just saying that because many of them have, oh, why you are, since you said that you are not an insider, why are you talking then? No, I'm not an insider. Does not mean that I should not talk. Do you understand? I have to talk. Now, when you hear this woman telling that guy that the PM told you to fall back, have you fall back? That question, she said, at least I have done my own. At least I have done my own. I have fall back. You did not fall back. You did not even receive anything from PM. The only thing you are doing is, since CUS is now your number one problem, you want to do everything to make sure that you stop her and you disgrace her. She said that she's, I think do they call her honorable, like as a minister or anything at all? As a cabinet member, she expected some respect, right? But her lifestyle, is not what it doesn't. She's not merit it at all. Her lifestyle is something else. Listen to, because like I said, if some of you that are going to call on her program, don't behave like this guy. Don't allow her to knock you off, because once she asked that, she claimed that she's smart, that she's intelligent. That's what she's trying to ask smart here. But unfortunately, the guy did not do what she's supposed to do. The question is, did the PM send the message to you? Yes. Are you not supposed to carry it out, the not that follow? Since you said that PM sent you a message, why don't you obey that message? Because to me, that message is not true from what she said here.
Because if the last time, whether when Robert to be Jiru and Dojo Jiru, I am putting on social media. And since then, the program in these 2 days, I want to remember. Don't think I have people on social media. Or the same mistake. Can grow on social media.
One, it's not but obvious is I was me up here. And the more I cannot be. And I want in any for no here. Because it's a water. Because see me when he may also fall back to Greek. If I go back to Greek.
I don't want. I fall back.
Okay, I forgot. Each one can respect him or he. But I go once follow to not when I match you go Baba monkey. And I be spoken that the year was a come home. Tell them one put your lap to say, I want to come too much time. Our talk is a follow by
Now, she's proud to tell you that Nyanya can add you. The question is, when PM talk to you direct, did you see the guy around you? That you should act differently from the guy, because the guy is expecting you to behave well based on the instruction given to you. Just like when God gave Moses 10 commandments, much is expected of Moses to make sure that he delivered that message to the people of Israel. And the law, he should be like a teacher to others. Okay, God said you should obey this one, obey this one, obey this one. So it's not you that the carrier, the bearer of the law is you are breaking it, and you turn around and tell people, yes, even though I'm the one that present the law to you, but it shows how how bad you are. And people, some of you that are still following her, like I always say, I'm not in position to tell you anything about that, who to follow and who not to follow. Please, how was the message sent to her? Thank you. That is another question from Armstrong. This lady called Oluchi Nwagod, he said, this guy lies too much. I want to call well done Kai, always on the truth. I hope you are not talking to me. If you are talking to me, tell me how what I'm saying is a lie, because you cannot tell me that I don't remember is not a guy, or maybe you guys, some of you that all you people that live in US, I don't know what guy means to you people. So anybody's guy. Adade Olanjo Fulani is looking for position, and our DBM, the Ongos president, did not give her, and since then she started fighting her in order to destroy all Dr. Ngozi is doing. My dear, look at the response from the reaction of Pastor Rose. So I pinned the number here for some of you that want to contribute. You can call in and add your own. No, not this one. Okay. All state. Okay, I understand you.
Over 800. So anything on a post paper, they viral. When you did it. No, I can't let them be rest. I must.
This is the reason why it is not good to sympathize somebody that's like somebody that his or her level is down. Don't just over sympathize their people, because God sees in our innermost being and put us in our own different position. Sometimes you try to help somebody and you'll buy a problem for yourself. Tell me this woman's job in the cabinet. Like what is she doing there, if not out of pity? She's not there to contribute anything, but out of pity for her to feel belong, because she showed them passion and determination, readiness and willingness to be in the cabinet, that she loved what is going on, what is to come. They welcomed her as a sister. She joined them contributing nothing. Now, she's the pillar of destruction. Like when we started, I told us that some people are meant to set house ablaze, while others are meant to quench a fire. You cannot bring somebody whose job is to set house ablaze to join a team or group that are devoted to quench fire, if any. She joined out of pity, and by her presence there, she managed to sneak in like a serpent and have been releasing her venom on everyone and causing problem. She's even proud of it. That's another part of it. She's very, very proud of it. Now, For some of us that said, "Oh no, don't question, you don't need to question her, drag her to sue her to court, and then no, don't do that." If you don't do that, they're using her now, or she may be even part of it. To those that are going to present a document and evidence, cook up story against US. They have everything in their hands, and they know what they're doing, and they're working towards that. But US also have something in their hands as well. But they're trying to show brotherly love and caring. No, it's not yet time to do this. No, it's not yet time to say this. No, it's not yet time to do this. If I name maybe somebody that hijacked the public money, public fund, living in US government said, no, don't sue. No, we are not going to sue him because it will appear to be a distraction. The people are now working hard on how to eliminate you. You understand? That opened her mouth and said that USB terrorist. People who declared Biafra have not questioned her on anything. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello?
Okay. Good evening.
Good evening to you, my sister.
Hello.
Hello, good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
I'm calling from soon.
From okay.
Okay.
Go on, go on, we can hear you.
It's about Ada Joran.
Okay.
Yeah, that lady, I don't know. That lady, I don't know. Because I don't know what she's causing a lot of havoc in this our freedom this thing. I don't know.
True.
As old as she is, she cannot respect herself. Anytime you go to her this thing, I was just even each time I would like to go just to go and look. When you go there, cost. Ngozi Fulani, Ngozi this one. What is all this? This woman she's possessed. She's possessed. All I know is that my prayer is that she will suffer for all these things she's doing, because I know that she cannot do 1,000 of what Ngozi is doing. She's just there just for as a mumude, and she cannot respect herself.
My sister, you are my phone name, or my phone name.
In fact, I want to Zua, but I'm here for her because I do apport everything, telling people that she's mad. The egg is working on her, you know.
Egg.
That egg that break is working on her. She's a confucianist, you know. So
right.
That's my own. All I know is that God will surely see us through. We're already in our land, and we'll protect this our land. We that at zoo, we protect it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sister. Thank you. I appreciate it. Somebody said that Eyiwegu said, don't you see the point of her argument? Baseless, a stark illiterate like her. My brother, this illiteracy, they will tell, oh, you are insulting her because of education. Education is just forget about education. Let us use common sense. It's not about grammar. After all, English is not my first language. My first language is Igbo language. I believe many of us here. But the thing is that it's not about English language. English. They have brain. They use it very, very well. Somebody attack wajala, God bless you. Thank you so much for the super chat. He said, Kai, I thank for keeping it real, brother. God bless you. I really appreciate you for that. Let me go back to the video that we not finished it yesterday. The line is still open. In case if you want to contribute, just call in. Today we are using the bongo number. Okay, the bongo number is what I pinned here. For some of you that want to contribute, you have time to do that, but we are not done. I want to revisit it because she was trying to analyze Ikenga while exposing herself the more. You understand it? Hello?
Hello, the guy.
Hello?
Good evening, good evening.
Good evening to you. Good evening to you.
See, you know, this group,
Mm-hmm.
the Biafrans today.
Okay.
It taking inventory of all this crop of individual.
Mm-hmm.
All of them, bocha, ndị ha na DOS rụrụ ọrụ.
True.
And when Simon overpowered them with truth, they succumbed.
Mm-hmm.
But that grief, akubere ha n'ime. Now, Simon, Allah prepare, Allah walk with them with a long spoon.
Very long one.
Omaho na aga call there whether calling for interrogation or to solitary confine him or arrest, detain or send to prison. Anyone. He didn't know because he was so confident that Finland will hold brief for him. He did expect arrest, but he thought that Ogano will declare that Biafra.
Yeah.
And so unveil this thing, Ngozi Mere.
Yeah.
Now, Mwaho Abia Judea, I want to take our memory lane back.
Okay.
And that where all our church favor like Ngozi, she told us that no can carry her. According to the memo hand raised, that's not the map point leader. And EPM called on the cabinet, they voted against them. They were not happy. And I want Biafrans to go and study Akrawa, Sonny, who the news break, the Simon. And the one man from Pai, the prophecy, it's not the issue of the Simon, a bitoko, late September, October, stroke early November. Maybe that time Kalapo, Simon Lagwea, don't carry on with this free declaration. Don't carry, because when Simon will come outside, remember today, arrest who Emery Simon confrontational arrest. All are there, Allah persuade their woman at the thing. Where all proof is the hala, we can make a yaga here, mayor. Kaha says about this onama. No. That is why Simon Jisi say, na say Akana on the declaration. We has to know. DPM has to know that Naga carry on. Bama ka na missing release was Simon. I will put that here. Finland. After that Lati police as an from that time to May. I have property court. So all those things back to Lamo. He connected those dots. Now after then, told us no can carry her. Say declare na Biafra. It declare, yeah.
Ngozi asị no a ga-edeclare ya edeclare ya mgbe onye ọbụla na-enwe obi aṅụrị oge Imam mmadụ abụ and 4 of them Ada ji emesa ka ha nọ like ndị mmiri mmarụ on second oge apụta and sang that rubbish song and said that na Biafra will declare today. Now, ndị Biafra leke your program, ha gbakọ ihe mere nụ. Okay, after the declaration emere na the first day of the program. Then, now, abịa kpọọ ya si ya after the declaration, abịa kpọọ ya aka na fila si ya n'oge eme account ka a mara ebe ọ dịgo na ka a mara way forward. Mgbe ka a gote mbe up kpakọ izu
ị ga Finland
ndị ga-agwa oge nkere aga m Finland ndị ga-agwa oge nkere datin bụ ebe ọ bụ n'unu ji men on the ground n'ebe ahụ unu ga-ejide na nwe onye dịka Biafra without men on the ground.
Ha ka na-ekwu na maka
the likes of Ada now and the cousin of Adonu ha bịara shiri oke o na ọ bụ na ha napụta pawa anụma ruo aka oge nkere ka ha ritetu because ndị niile a bụ ndị ogbenye ọnụ ntụ. Adaonowu sịrị gị na mgbe ya na-arụ ọrụ na police na ha la smuggle people away. That alone identical her reputation. Even though now I will never trust that woman again in my life. Now Ngozi alọkọ up ọ chọghị inye ha ego ha wele tipu ofu Ikenguru Agụ nwere post o mere that na Oremi Juice chi na Ngozi ga-enye ego ka o were mepe shop. Ngozi aka inye ego ha timuo ha gbapụ. So ha nta niile gbatachara ka ha bịa good opportunity nọrọ with ashore. So that they na-enwe ego ala akpatapụrụ ha ego. But ha amaghị na onye ha gbakwutere na ya na Simon arụkọ ọrụ well. And the woman chọrọ ka Biafra bịa. That is why o nwere obere program ime na about Dr. Rose. See, ekwuru m ya na platform Oga Choose today. Ngozi chọrọ ịdị safe. Ọ bụrụ na Ngozi achọghị ka anyị nwere ihe ga-eme ya, onye ọbụla ọ ga-ahọrọ n'ọrụ see the 2 point ọ ga-ejila verify onye ahụ. He support Google Nigeria actively before for Nigeria to be good. That should be one focal point. Second one, kedu your pedigree n'ebe ị nọ? Ịdịkwa successful n'obodo oyibo ijeru. Ya makwara nwa nweta onye agụrụ la agụ tinye. Onye ahụ ga-eli chikwa ya. I'm telling if she's listening to me and any platform will appear, I'm going to repeat this thing till it gets to her. Ya makwara nwa ya to see ndị niile agụrụ la agụ, how to profile them, how to profile people that will work with her. Lead there to getting Biafra. Onye ọbụla ọ ga-etinye n'ọrụ, onye ahụ nwego at any time ọ gbara mbọ, ọ bụrụ na ọ gbaghị federal, ọ gbara mbọ ka mara ma be nna ya ọ ga-adị mma until ya erute elu olu ọfụna hope adịghị na Nigeria before ọ join ezi akwụkwọ eziokwu nwere onwe. Ọ bụrụ onye ya mebere shewe na onye ahụ n'ọrụ because onye ahụ adịghị willing to fight for ndị be anyị. Ifuru ndị agụrụ niile ahụ this struggle na-abịago to level ọ nọ. Enid so ndị agụrụ, enid ndị ji emotion abịa, enid ndị ga-asị gị na ha sokwe mee ihe ma sọ bụ no. Ihe need na bụ people of pedigree and verifiable character. Ha na-aba mba that Imane Oremi Juice okwu nke m nwe ka nsa atụba ya. Ifuru that caterpillar pụtara nụ whether my caterpillar la work with the government or that work. Caterpillar bụ ndị ya na Imane Oremi Juice crochet deal. So he want to disassociate himself and rubbish and tarnish that guy name so that he won't be in the government.
I know.
Caterpillar bata. Biakuo odem mmadụ ọgwụ because onye lara nwunye mmadụ ada ekwetiri ka nwoke ọzọ si nwunye ya hello. Because okwu m ka akwụrụ njụrụ ya. Let's assume na all fall na the same class of Ikonso, gentle, and Igwebutuza Haleko. If he is a good somebody, why did he abscond his men and run away? Mobonobo a parrot and a saboteur. And he now come on his platform. Can Igwebutuzobo a kidnapper, the gentle Bonyori. Anybody that speaks from both sides of his mouth, like Asari, is not somebody to be reckoned with. Let her continue sieving and shelving these people off. Because all continue kwasika nana la kamara Canada. Ochoto fonya akoro jadrubia Canada tinye. Onye la handle be 1 million a year before. Inyaya, the real color of that person appear.
Yeah.
So ya just see ke see for the nigga walk with the young man. And no one connection and ya ga because him and Haleti Elias. I am just saying many people have no understanding of Ihalazo. Mwero mwanyi aga better from US.
Thank you.
Mwero mwanyi ga from Alipo by lobbying them because the Mereko Abu ya dala kuya wuge make a habata.
They go to
them, you have a superior argument. Onye patagore like Pito Bina, it's no Yawu Patia. So, Biko Muma support ya. Anyhow, getting lobby, because all these our political elite, they are just like a first son in the family. There will be the first point of contact. London Manapito Bino. US Manapito Bino. So let her continue lobbying them. When you hear this at the beginning of I did say it in one platform. Now I'm not declaring the Biafra and now extend letters to this woman IPOP. Uje before her was wicked them. She ever Biafra can choose Alibo. Because when I sit to look at these people, I cannot articulate or make meaning of their argument. And what you name Biafra now no catch la beya or no I'm a only bob. Ojinanda Braga have kitty kiachia. So let's only what possible. Even a Bonny State is la Abagotebele Guapo. Still a Bonny State cannot let the illiterate rule them. Oh, no, Guasaking when he came for Governor Gasakin and Mebdrakrishi. Ali Guade or Daft. That's the one I can hold to that one to higher esteem. Even open I find your back. You're going to find your back more. Oh, when you can make you find your back Chianambra because Okabe is slap to the likes of all these people a half-educated person although possible.
I can live with other cabinet they were just out of pity.
So because all those words now all because of this foolish crop of individuals who take the struggle from Namde, the likes of Pito Biha. These people are besides they've called them miscreants. They are all miscreants. So because Unuma no outside in Webus and Wete, because no Waramu, Dr. Ngozi, Yama Kalama, Bonye gets a condonye Gayanaga, Labonye with a pedigree, Labonye no go of Fuma. As in fact, Undiana Garo Bonye Biguru, Nobudo Yibo.
If any
30 years I have onye wetara akwụkwọ 5 years ago
okay.
ya bụrụ onye batara obodo oyibo n'ụzọ dị mma bụ onye afọ ju bụrụ onye kwukwuru 1 or 2 na Nigeria aịta na ọ sọpọtụrụ ndị be ha na steeti ya ọ na o nwere ka o si kwuo okwu about Nigeria because of such people like Simon si kwuo ka Nnamdi siri kwuo ka ya mabụ Ngozi siri kwuo ga-abụ ndị pushgoro ka Nigeria dị mma.
Even in equal okay, but the only place more feel that na disagree with Egoa. If you could the issue of extending hands of fellowship to like people B and rest of them and all that.
No. I'm just using the analogy. I'm not saying that not getting time away with them. No, I'm just using analogy that no open those charlatans around online. Gamana, Biafra, that if care is not taken, no big achieve. Do you think that leaders in Nigeria don't want to work?
Okay.
They've studied the law is not going. But when we have a law now that sees nobody face, Obi will come in, even this he will not come. The Biafra we are pushing for Biafra Gabe, you all believe the commonest man in the street will hold you accountable.
Thank you.
This Yoko in 6 months. 6 months ago, Yoko will troop in the street and chase you away, recall you immediately.
Thank
but
you.
all these fools who like somebody are feeling emete Biafra Mwabonye was a Dara for let's say La Tasina Benamo, Zahabia Kopu Chairman, Araboya. She can never cross that place. Are we going to get Biafra for fools to come and lead us and take us backward as Buhari?
It's not
Buhari
possible.
took Nigeria to 1940 something.
Thank you so much.
Let them not be thinking that when Biafra come, all of them will come and no. It is still people that are
most of them with that, some of them with this mentality na go Syria and so that the Biafra can weak it doesn't work that well.
They are all fools.
You have to show, you have to prove
that is why they are dragging Biafra because if they say they know that they will be the one to get the Biafra for another people to rule. Okay, they will put all they have. But to hand Chani for not about a bundle chok and with it,
thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. See you. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Mazi.
Good evening.
That is so much. Ekele ma konye weta asụ na ibuke na ezire Dr. Gozara Weze ozi na onye na-eriju afọ na Europe na eti ekwenye na kabineti amadị m eji amụnye na-eriju afọ n'obodo Europe. Yeah. Yes, my brother. Anyway, one point in the somebody joro another Ramma. Of course, no sarcasm on.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you want to
go back.
Yes. I see okay na I fall to go back, but the young one can come still. The one young one other people in care. And the young one can wear her PM Nanya. So I will make her wear PM Nanya and they shall be Biafra for your miss. And the man a PM Zirigozi, these which you mad. PM was still. Na gị wụ ada ndị mberede gede shoot wepụ aka na-eko nkọ because Biafra abụ just onye kọwutere di ya onye kọwutere di ya win ya nwere kọwutere di ya ebere nwoke ya na-ebi so na ya maka igosi na as somebody not in a cabinet somebody PM kpọrọ wee zie ya ozi maka na level ya gbugoro nke dị egwu maka ụdị ọrụ dị ya Now, PM alcohol is COS, his surrogate. The person only order to go and take care of. Make sure that no safeguard remanded to secure the mandate.
Yeah.
PM alcohol somebody who dedicated to represent him as a surrogate. PM alcohol the woman will second the command to him as chief of staff. Whereas you will put proof every other Biafrans. Give him that message. We're so going to go at that. No, we put Zaka and Conco. 2 days today for them to break the news of he was called, JPM called him. Yana Remy should be so Eupinama can conquer. As well by Bidone conquer. Eupinama can Basaga, Eupinama can Basaga, and was in a Basaga, Ayaga Bajisaga. So I was surprised listening to both of them at the same time. On that, after to do not Kebe, in Kebu, Remy just says no Habas Saga. And that's not Habas Saga. What is going on? Casing was happened born again in car overnight.
Overnight, if a hospital anywhere.
2 days happen again. 2 days happen again. And when we say news that PM but I don't know was here in the Cosinanco. Then we he did not respect that PM. To do what? To that 2 things, that 2 conditions only the moment of PM these 2 others. You could not carry out the main one who does not even to fall back, but to stop fighting any person that is fighting for Biafra. The highest even to the extent he called the United States of Biafra. PM suffered for years, for 1 year, trying to make sure that he declared that Biafra. And he bring us to the United States of Biafra government. And the border United States of Biafra terrorists. And you see the thing that come out this night. Watch your program. This the CS Web3 that they are ganging up against her to even that FBI.
Yeah.
So we connect here with the terrorists at Danako.
Thank
you.
People,
this group Naga.
Thank you.
And he did not respect PM for 110. Then instead he called his government terrorists, and at the same time indirectly telling Finland that he had a mayor charge. Now the woman PM as his surrogate, the government already the terrorist government. You know, him had a everywhere. So he is an evil woman and she remains evil.
Thank you, my brother. Thank
you. Come back again. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. So, anyway, some people are not happy when when Peter B's name is mentioned. Or why must what the person said is somehow true, but maybe the way he put it. But the truth is that if Biafra come after everything, don't expect people who cannot offer anything to be, because I do share Biafran video. I am one of the people that carry flag in somewhere new. No, you have to prove that you are capable. You cannot just hope to build another bongo. It doesn't make any sense. Now come on, Hello, sir.
Yeah, Kai.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, well done. Let me send that message that time. Now them and they talk, no be you.
Okay.
Yeah. I was saying that this guy they lie so much.
Okay. Yeah.
You know, so I want to refresh people's memory. Do you remember that man that from Germany that went to Finland the first time that was having issue with Atadio Aramma?
Obi Jamina.
You remember that man? That man was shouting that time. The man was shouting in every platform that this lady. He was even calling Simon his younger brother because we knew the day Simon disturbed the guy, asking him if he made any donation. Actually, the guy himself is a liar, but sometimes liars, you know, what the guy was saying then about that Joramma is now we know the truth because in Finland, the guy said that Joramma was begging her. You understand? So, and when he was screaming,
begging her to do what?
Yeah, even Remigius took the guy up that time.
I know.
Oh, he did this, he did hair. Because let me tell you, Kai, you see this thing these people did, when they have started planning this for a long time, because before Simon went to this place he was now, they have started already disrespecting him within the cabinet.
Yeah, total.
They have started disrespecting him, and it's as if not as if they knew what was coming. So, and they have made this plan that if this happens, we are going to assume authority and we will do this, But what happened to them in Finland is what they cannot explain till today. So, you see that woman that called you that time, made mention of Remigius. I told you last time, Remigius was the first person that started this men on the ground, the kidnapper. Somebody accused him, he changed it. He said, no, it's not. When he accused Igbebutu to direct, he accused Jen to direct, he accused all of them as criminals. And at the end of the day, the same people turn around. The thing was shocking to me when Remigius was also accusing Dr. Ngozi of calling men on the ground. Somebody said it here, I remember one of your programs, you asked the person to bring evidence. You remember?
I remember.
The person never called back. You tell him, bring evidence.
Bring evidence.
That Dr. Ngozi called men on the ground. Men that he doesn't know because he obeyed to obey instruction. When Madam Azuka used men on the ground and if you are Mubiko, all these people will work with them. I work with Madam Azuka, I work with Ifom. Every distinct concern defense, I've been there. When that happened, he banned everybody from anybody, mostly women. When he dissolved for murder, that nobody should get any link from men or women or the men on the ground anymore. So the COA does not know this. It's not by accident because this our COA, he just mind her office.
Thank you.
He does not want to go contrary. And let me tell you, all those videos they were sharing that time, those videos is from Gaddafi. Because I work with Gaddafi when the police was under him.
Okay.
When we have BIP, Biafra Intelligence Bureau. So he was heading it. I am a part of it. That long time, that was a very long time. One day when he derailed, he gave me one picture where a political party that have, like he said, he was Dr. Ngozi funded the party with some northerners. I told him, please, I am not into this kind of propaganda. All those pictures, see, they are sharing. That is what he gave them. He gave them all this information, which is very, very, that are not true. Actually, those pictures exist, but the way they blew it was not what that picture is meant for. So it was the guy feeding them with those information. But he has also, even Remigius, all the time he was talking about Gaddafi. And because all those things were talking about Gaddafi, I also am aware because Gaddafi also talked with me. It was when I asked him to stop it he's from Afibo. It was when I told him to stop fighting your brother. I cannot be part of this if you don't want to support Balkan to elect a prime minister of Biafran people. He told me over his dead body. And I told up at the I said, okay, for just saying over your dead body, I am done. I took myself off from BIP. I reported back to Defense Secretary. I handed those group to him to scrutinize if there's any of them in the government. After checking, there was none of them in the government. So, but Having said this, that guy will be, that thing was screaming, they will know it's the pure truth. This woman is more than her dangerousness have no, we don't know how devil look like, no matter they say it's a black person or, but this woman is more than devil.
Devil is in shock.
Including Remy Jews. If you see those two people that is doing spiritual, you show that they are not spiritual nothing. They have spirit of Obanje. spirit of Mami Water. I'm telling you the truth because the spirit they are claiming they have that is talking to them. You cannot be talking to them with almost 20 mouths. So my brother, that's what I want to tell you. Because if you know people who have spirit, when they speak, my brother,
you know,
the good spirit does not lie, does not have double mouth. You talk here tomorrow. So that's what I want to say. So I'm so sorry for that typing I did. It was like
no.
I was trying to that period you are on that topic. I started to say these guys they lie a lot so much.
I'm not doing careful because I'm a boy. So some of them.
It's true.
I can't call you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, my man. God bless.
Thank you, sir. So let me quickly reply to Wabozokumba. You guys are mistaking what this our brother said. Okay, and that the person that said that I call you with it, right? I think that's what people are calling him on commercial here. He's not saying that P2B will take Biafran leadership or everyone have the right to say what they want to say, but let me just make this clear. It's not that Biafran, what he's trying to say is that Biafrans are not lacking, capable hands to lead when Biafra comes. But not that Biafra are going to beg P2B to come and join and all that. And this, I can see that this incense that they are saying, if any lose P2B now, it doesn't make any sense to me because P2B has said that Biafran is dead long time ago. That statement, no apology, nothing whatsoever. So I'm not in support of anybody trying to even talk to him about Biafra or anything at all. I don't see how possible that is. Even if you want to join or talk about Biafra now, I'm gonna go from distance, something like that. Okay, and many of them that are serving Nigerian government, this is my own opinion. Okay, I'm not saying that this is what Biafra are going to do. This is my own opinion. I don't think it is necessary to hope that former governor in Nigeria like Soludona, Pretamba of Enugu State, the one of Ebonyi, the one in River State, the one in Delta. I'm not in support of any of them coming close to any leadership in Biafra land because we have many vibrant people that can do mighty things. So those ones have tested corruption. And they said they fool at 40s, they fool forever. So they are all above 40s, and they have been in the corrupt system. For you to bring them down and expect them to do magic, or it's not possible. I don't buy that idea. Most of them have taken. They know what they have. They have been receiving wardrobe allowance, clothes allowance, newspaper allowance, shoe allowance, gari allowance, akama allowance, bread allowance. So is that what you want to also bring into the system? So let us not talk about it. Even if you love them so much, okay, it's okay. I'm not saying you should hate them or wage war against them, but don't expect them to become that they are, like what you say. According to you say that he's one of the best. Mr. B is one of Africa's most powerful leader currently. How? He's not leading anything. Is he a governor? Is he a senator? Is it because he's moving from office to office and all this? I'm not here to criticize him. He's our brother, but don't hype him as if he's the Burkina Faso president. So if he's what are you going to call Burkina Faso? Can't you see what the man is doing in Burkina Faso? Hello.
Hello, my brother Kai. Good evening.
Okay. You're welcome. The floor is yours. Continue.
Thank you, my brother. Biafra, I greet you, all the good people of Biafra. May God bless all of us today.
Amen.
Konye Shriya Zere.
Yes, sir.
Kai, I want to thank you once again. I want to start with our COS.
Okay.
All I know is anybody that is not functioning, remove the person and put somebody that will work more than the person. That is what we need now.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me?
Very, very clear.
Anybody that is not, any office that is not functioning, remove the person and put person that will function. We need people that is very active.
Mm-hmm.
We need people that are very dedicated. We need people that are very committed in this time, right now. That is my advice to him, to her. Then anybody that is saying is not doing it well is not, this is government. Government work, the day they employ you, the same that day they will sack you. That is the government for you. If you do not function, we push you down.
Yes, sir.
Then put somebody that is will function. So anybody that did not like it, I'm sorry, but this is the truth of the matter. If we really want to move forward, if we really want to make our government to stand, we don't need to bash anybody. We don't need to manage anybody. We don't need to manage anybody. We don't need to bash anybody. The government of Biafra don't need that kind of management. If you need that kind of management, definitely there's no need of to go out from Nigeria. Not Nigeria that is managing anybody. Then see, government of Paddy,
Mm-hmm.
government of my friend.
My friend.
We don't need it. Thank you. Government of now we start them. Government now we build them. Government now we begin them. No, we don't need it. So I want our people to understand this. And I want our people to have this mentality. And I want our people to understand, to remove that mentality of we start up. If you go to Europe, if they want their work, if they are employing you for something, if the government starts suspecting you, you can use your hand and resign. If you look at the person, he uses your hand or he uses his hand and resign. But our own blackie, we will die there because now we start there. Whether he's doing it well, whether he's not doing it well. And we that are leading will be clapping for the person because the person say, I will not come out. We will not clapping for the person say, this person strong, this person a young person. Mm-hmm. No. That mentality needs to remove our brain. If we really want to have a good nation, Biafra, this is my number one advice to our people, Biafra, and to the government. I don't know whether I spoke very well.
Very, very okay.
If I did not spoke very well, I have spoke my mind.
Very, very okay, my brother. Very, very okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Then consign where? It will come to program tomorrow. Let me just be listening. I may come back.
No, continue. Just use more 2 minutes. Use more minutes. Officially, put officially go. Just 2 minutes.
Okay. Another thing I want to say is that there is some of the things that I saw today concerning people that want to set COS up. Some people are saying, I was listening to the one platform. I want to correct that inspiration. If you COS, come out today. If you COS, come out today. Somebody is already standby that will replace POS, but COS, our DPM. But I know that our DPM is not going. So anybody that is planning, maybe they send, because this is this thing I'm telling you now is the information. Anybody that is saying that they send information so that they will send to the police in US, they are all fair. Before they start this thing, we already in the front. Understand? The COS is telling them, say, you people don't know how I prepared concerning this. So I want to encourage all the Biafra that is panicking concerning that rumor, concerning those group, Ogenkere group, cutting where CEOs looking for information.
What to cut off?
US. So I want to tell all the people that they should not shake, they should not panic. Our COS is okay. Nothing they will send before they move Ogenkere and his own group try to bring COS down. They're not going to bring COS down. And they're not going to bring this Biafra government down. If they think na COS, if they remove COS, that Biafra government will scatter, lie. Another person is already stand by. If they tell them say COS will stand by when Samoneba move, they will not believe it because they thought that the woman will not rise. They thought that the woman will not stand against them. They thought that the woman will not wage war against them. They thought that the woman can push him and he run away. So that is what they believe. Understand? But now what they never see is not what they prepared. That is why they fight their last battle. And this is the last of them. When they follow this side, God will destroy them. When they follow this side, God will destroy them. So I want to encourage all the Biafras. Nobody should panic. Nothing will happen in our COS. Our COS is okay. Eventually something happens to us, God will still raise somebody that's even worse than COS. So God is already prepared the journey. Nobody will stop it. Okay, get it. And that you are on. Remi choose a la and shining it that already fair woefully.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it. You see, this issue of COS, if anything is gonna happen to her or not, I don't ask that Nana Kama. No, also before no I get or call let me just leave it there.
Let you able to sit at home. But when you force on these people, women, he can't get you well for time, no. Children, no, one ever on. On a attachment, other Kawasaki go ahead on an attachment. Other Kawasaki go ahead. On a pluralism, also peable, what's one name my born? When I turned on it, which I say, none against media warriors, not be joke. I will deal with these people one after the other. Okay. By the time I'm done with them, the one that stands that I feel the media warriors is not be joke. I will deal with these people one after the other. By the time I'm done with them, the one that stands that I feel the media warriors is not be joke. We are three, and we have our way of doing things. The one that stands that I feel the media warriors is not be joke. We are three. So, Iken Gulago na Chineke Amara that na IPOB media warriors are criminals. Yes. On Iken Gulago, which means Iken Gulago na Chineke Amara na IPOB media warriors. They are criminals and terrorists.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Evening, Kai.
You're welcome.
Yes. Sorry to disturb you once again.
Okay.
There are things when it's happening, people start to open their mouth left and right. Nigeria never relent. I'm going to give you some keys, but I will not call people, but I will describe them.
Okay.
There are people who told you they want to be responsible in Nigerian politics. And they are latecomer in political career in Nigeria, if you can remember them. Yeah. When that money, which was locked into Ogenkere Biafran account, was did before PM was called for query, he was among of those who connected before they get to Ogenkere.
Okay.
And they used one of the governor of Imo State, to do that rubbish business.
Okay.
The next one that is happening now, it came to them as a flash of thunder. Falling back, they send people one after the other to go and speak to these people that you see that is falling back at last. That this is the time they have to make money before PM come back, so that PM come back, we start where we stopped. That was their plan. But they don't know that the grace of God is standby with Biafran, which made Ngozi Orableze and the reasonable Biafrans, those who opened up for Biafrans, said, let us do it 29. Then they don't have another option. What they do, they went to one side. That day you can see them. If you didn't go there, you watch them on the film. Somebody like Imam Madhabu or whatever, an old man like that was waiting for what he can make from the blood money. Biafran citizens who are outside contributing money. They tell you, okay, before they will do the list of PM down, you will make so million. What do you think you're gonna do? Why? Because that money they spared into Biafran account now is trapped. That money cannot go back to them. They want to use that opportunity to make that money back. And that was the call they call Tadi Ramma. That as you are now, you have worked for that, and they did not give you position. What position can you think they can give that kind of Biafran situation by now? What do you think that Ramma cannot? Even though women community, she cannot lead them because she's temperament. She has no quality of leadership.
At all. Zero.
Remigius, is it Remigius? Remigius is just a boy I know. I know Remigius from childhood. Remigius is from Idato, not. Really? It's from between Abopa and Isekenes. I know him, but it's not what I'm going to narrate.
Okay.
When he did this, I believe that the egg breaker, that egg the guy break, caught him. So put him out of the realm because he is doing according to what they plan and sold to him. That all these things you have suffered, this is time you need to relax until PM come out. All of them are waiting, planning to PM come out. Remember, when Pilot was on, it's PM that united all the armed men. Remember?
Yeah.
Such is a thing they are waiting for now. But it's going to be late for them. It's going to be very, very late for them because what they are planning is going to bust them. Don't read it out. There is a plan towards to put COS down, but it will not work. Before they will execute that, let me tell you, before they will do that, the dragon will give second face. If you know my language, you speak my word.
I know.
You know what I'm telling you?
Yeah, I do.
So nobody should panic. What happened to the people who wants to be relevant in Nigerian politics? Very useless human being. And he never denied. He said, that is why I am giving information to the killers of Biafra, because I want to be reasonable in Nigerian politics. That word and that day is waiting for him.
Leave that one. I don't even normally
That one is, by the way, what I used to do. I chose to describe him.
I understand.
For it to be
all
these people being in politics, when Biafra come, their children and the people they are sponsoring will never take a seat in Biafran government, because we must know them. They will sponsor people to come into Biafran government with their money, but they will fall. They will fall. So we are not worried. We are working towards it. God is with us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you so much.
Keep your work up.
Thank you. God bless you.
That's not. Biafra say nwere ike ịṅụ mmiri wee tọba iko. Ọ ife ike nke ulu agụ na-achọ ime ka anyị malụ. O nwekwa ife ọzọ. Ike nke ulu agụ na-achọ ime ka ụnụ mara that na ya apụtago and o declare go this war. Amụnwachi mgbe ọ na-ekwu okwu amụnwachi na ọjọọ sụ n'okwu ịma.
Benedict, as he said, Mr. Kai TV. I don't know why you guys are keep on saying Kai TV. It's Kai Report, not Kai TV. Please remind Biafrans that the USB is encouraging those who have something to offer and wishes to join them should apply for it. Please. You know, this kind of message, you don't need to ask me to say it. The number is here for you to call and deliver the message more better. You understand? More better the way you have it in your mind. You can elaborate on that. That's why if I don't put my phone number, you can put the comment. But anyway, the message is out already. Thank you.
Wasting my time. You can't go like I didn't waste time because I've known that no now.
We have our way of doing it.
This saga is not. I'm not even in for that.
But this kind of people name Ifa. Only get that. Only I want to know when I buy. Because one was exile and he can never come back again. And no man here how pazi. But Aluji amazing to all man that no one was in your front na that land. Onya koji me for name. When on a bound you won't down when I see Kengulu ago you a liar. You can't go ago. When even go under Fulani, which is the whole Biafra, Skilia, Biafra in acid. We get our leader Master and the Kukan of Presena. Oh, that name would have Biafra, would have also for your standard. Or for here would tell Biafra. He can go ago. He can catch or die. He can get a child back.
Okay, my people, I just want to use the opportunity and just announce to you that a few days ago, one of our brother lost his platform. Although the message he told me is not all that clear, but just for me, let me just summarize it. I don't want to quote him wrongly. I don't want to quote him wrong. He says that group of people from Oginkere, I don't know, like I said, I don't have any evidence on that. This is what he told me. They gang up to take down his platform. And he has opened a new one and he's looking for people to support him on that. So I don't know, like I said, I don't have the real information what happened to his platform, but he's for USB, okay? And he wants me to share his platform for people to support him any way you can. So I will try my best to flash it so you can see it here. look at it here. This is home Biafran. I think my home is Biafra is here. Then home Biafra, you can just use this. Just use this name to locate him on YouTube. Okay, just support him if you can. Hopefully, of course, Biafrans love their own, of course. So just do your best and subscribe to his channel and encourage him, because it is not easy to start up, to open a platform where you are uploading videos, and all of a sudden people who felt that you have different opinion from what they have choose to go after that platform and take it down. How they do it, I don't know. How they did it, I don't know. How they gathered themselves to support each other to pull down people's platform, I don't know. But anything is possible, right? That's why you need to. We need to be careful, because they know how to hack very, very well. They know how to hack. So, my people, we are not going to waste much time. Like I said, we are spent. I don't even know that it's up to 2 hours already. So I just checked the timeline. I found out that it's up to 2 hours. So if anybody want to call, you can call. Let's take 1 or 2 calls before we end. If not, then we're going to call it a day.
Our charity, because na if na put the view, if I put the view, because of na Azoka Mwanko na contribute a lot, and the Malapa people will can contribute near Basana donation, name donation 9 POB. Onyaka these people, this man which will follow to tea. We see that na ye name na Azoka Iwago. Yaka, this man Anabo Ikenga. She will follow to tea, will enter. Na ye maybe na Madam Azoka. And they will be the penny because of the if I see an on our butter, Kayage will none again. So, because of now this woman, we put that we put a long way, if it was an autopilot, waiting all her friends. Nobody can contribute to. Can this man do that way from to happen? And one day when he can't dive down, we can give away. Oh, Nazuka, Madam Azuka, Manko, Nadia S. Military, all advantage for Biafrans.
Do you hear that part? This is the part I have been looking for. That's why I'm playing this, just for you to hear this. Maybe you missed our program before. That's why I decided to play it again, this part. Because 2 days ago, this woman was one of the people that are championing this attack on Marvelous Arese. Oh, Arese is Ebubago. Yeah, he's a police officer. He has no bone in the Bible, no main cause. The same woman is here telling that Nobuna D Azoka Wanko is ex-military, not advantage to Biafrans. So nobody can change of money, because sometimes when you hear her talking, maybe you think that she actually making sense, or what she's saying somehow there's an atom of truth. No, these are criminal-minded people, and nothing you can do about it. This is who they are. So, my boy, thank you so much for your time, and God bless you. And make sure you like the video before you go. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. God bless you, and bye-bye for now. Thank you.